Welcome to an in-depth look at what could be the next head-turner in the SUV market, the Toyota Fortuner Modellista Edition. Though Toyota has not officially released every specification, strong industry insights and authentic sources give us a clear picture of what to expect from this upcoming model. This is more than just an upgraded Fortuner, it is a reimagined version with sharper styling, premium enhancements, and performance-driven engineering. Let us begin with the interior, where the Modellista Edition sets itself apart. The cabin features high-quality leather seats stitched with bold red contrast lines that immediately suggest a performance-oriented spirit. Carbon fiber accents stretch across the dashboard, blending with a modern layout that includes a large touchscreen infotainment system, expected to support both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient LED lighting around the dashboard, door panels, and footwells adds a subtle glow, transforming the space into a sophisticated driving environment, especially at night. The multifunction steering wheel proudly displays the Toyota logo and offers intuitive control over media, navigation, and driving modes. The center console houses dual-zone climate control, a wireless charging pad, USB-C ports, and sleek metallic and wood grain finish elements that elevate the cabin's overall luxury feel. All of this is framed within a showroom setting that includes polished floors, soft spotlights, and elegantly displayed automotive art, making the Fortuner feel right at home in a premium atmosphere. Under the hood, the Toyota Fortuner Modellista Edition is expected to carry forward the powerful 2.8-liter diesel engine, delivering around 201 horsepower and 500 nanometers of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and a robust four-wheel drive system, this SUV will continue to handle both city cruising and off-road challenges with ease. It's likely that the Modellista kit improves not just the aesthetics but also minor aerodynamic efficiency, giving slightly sharper handling dynamics at higher speeds. Performance-wise, you can expect the SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in roughly 10 seconds, impressive for its segment and size. While it's not built for racing, the strong mid-range torque ensures confident overtaking and effortless highway cruising. Some sources even suggest the possibility of enhanced driving modes and adaptive suspension for a more personalized ride. As for fuel efficiency, the diesel engine should maintain an average of around 12 to 14 km per liter, depending on driving conditions and load. Though not a hybrid or electric vehicle, Toyota's advancements in engine tuning and emissions control help the Fortuner remain competitive in today's eco-conscious market. In terms of safety and tech, the Modellista Edition is expected to include features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. With a strong build and global crash safety ratings, the Fortuner remains one of the safest full-size SUVs on the road. Price estimates for the Toyota Fortuner Modellista Edition fall between 45 to 50 lakh INR in India, positioning it as a luxury SUV with performance upgrades and signature styling. This pricing reflects the exclusive body kit, advanced features, and brand value that Modellista brings into the package. As for the release date, industry insiders suggest an official unveiling could happen by late 2024, with bookings and deliveries starting in early 2025. Toyota is expected to roll it out first in select markets, including Japan, Thailand, and India. To sum it all up, the Toyota Fortuner Modellista Edition takes everything people love about the Fortuner and adds a new layer of exclusivity, style, and comfort. With its bold design, luxurious cabin, and trusted performance, it is ready to command attention in showrooms and on the streets alike. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates, real-world test drives, and walk-arounds of the most anticipated vehicles from around the globe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.